Hey guys, John Brown with Explore Park City Living here. If you ski or snowboard Alta, well, you can't really snowboard Alta, but if you snowbird and ski Alta and you want to build a brand new custom home minutes from the canyon, this is probably your last shot. So we are standing just off of Little Cottonwood Canyon Road, where one of the best positioned new communities near the mouth of Little Cottonwood Canyon right over here. And this is Little Cottonwood Canyon Estates, a quiet 12-lot custom home development by Ivory Homes. It's built for people who want that full Wasatch lifestyle, skiing, hiking, biking, views, low density, all of it up on this very, very east bench of Salt Lake in Sandy, Utah. Now here are the details. All premium east-facing lots that back up to Little Cottonwood Canyon over here, they have already all been sold out. They're basically all gone. There's one left at $885,000, and that is the one that backs up to Little Cottonwood Canyon Road. There is going to be a solid barrier concrete wall, but that is, I would say, probably the least desirable on this side, and that's why it's the only one left. Everything that is still available is on that west-facing side that will still have amazing views. Just the backyard won't have those views. It'll be the front yard and all those windows in the house facing the front. All the lots are around 0.34 acres, and what makes this project special is the level of customization Ivory is offering. You might know Ivory as more of a townhome or non-really custom, more traditional, like you sign up and you get that house that you saw and it looks like the other one in the neighborhood. This is totally different here. You've got over 40 options that Ivory's offering. You're not locked into a single plan. Build prices range from about $656,000 to $1.58 million before adding the lot. That is just the build prices. So realistically, you're going to be ending up somewhere between 1.5 to 2 million, depending, what you choose for a build all in. As you can see, some of the lots are currently stubbed in. So, we're getting there, paved. So, getting close to being able to dig some foundations. So here's what's included. 3-car garages, you'll get natural stone, hardy board siding, no stucco allowed in here. They include a sewer injection system, which is important out here due to the older utility lines on the road actually aren't deep enough to flow the sewer out. So there is a sewer injection pump, which is kind of a bummer because they're just expensive to maintain if you mess them up. So you really want to stay away from feminine products going down the toilet because that sewer injection pump kind of acts as a little disposal and pressurizes it and injects it up. And so if you got stuff going down the toilet that shouldn't be, it will clog that up and you'll have to repair that. Pretty costly, so you just want to be on top of it there. The HOA is super simple, $900 a year. Covers park strip, care, maintenance of the concrete, water basin system that helps protect the entire neighborhood during snow melts or snowstorms. As you know, there is a lot of runoff here, and so they properly planned for that, which is awesome. You're zoned for Granite Elementary, Albon Middle, and Alta High School, and you're just a couple minutes from Smith's, Macy's, Alta View Hospital, trailheads like Bell Canyon. I personally own a rental right down the road, and it is a very nice location. I used to live there. Now, just to give you an idea of how sweet this community really is, Lot 7 is being built for the owner of Ivory Homes' daughter. So they see the value in it. You probably do too. So come check it out. That's how exclusive this development is. So whether you're a skier, mountain biker, or someone just looking to get out of the city but still have access to Salt Lake and then the mountains right up Little Cottonwood Canyon Road, this checks all those boxes. If you want to walk these lots or start planning your build, shoot me a text, 801-837-4445, or check the link in the description. That has the listing agent's information. Courteous to them, thank you, Ivory Homes. You know, give me a call. I'd love to work it out for you. So see you guys next time.